Did you know a loud noise could kill you instantly? At around 185 decibels, sound waves become so powerful they can rupture your internal organs, especially the lungs, in a split second. This is louder than a rocket launch or a close-range gunshot. The shockwave from such intense sound can cause lethal damage, making survival almost impossible. While you're unlikely to encounter these levels in everyday life, this fact shows just how dangerous sound can be. If you found this surprising, like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.